and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for coming back for another video. Today's video is going to be a cleaning video, and today I'm going to be cleaning all three of my bathrooms because they are a hot mess and I let it go on way too long and I just can't stand it anymore. I love to stick to cleaning, organizing, and lifestyle type videos. So if you love videos like that, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel so you guys will not miss any more of the fun. And don't forget to click that little bell thing somewhere so you guys won't miss any more uploads of mine. If you guys are ready for this cleaning video, just keep watching. So I'm going to be cleaning my powder room first because I'm already downstairs and it's actually the easiest and fastest to clean. So I'm just going to take my rug out, I'm going to take my trash can out and spray the sink down with some Clorox cleanup spray, which I like because germs and flu season, all of that nastiness going around, I have to use my Clorox, especially in the bathroom on the handles and stuff like that. So that's what I'm doing, and then I'm going to use the little Clorox wand. I think it's by Clorox, but it's the toilet wand where you stick the little stick down into the little sponge, clean the toilet with the sponge, and then you could just click the stick and the sponge goes in the trash. So you don't really have to handle too much with your bare hand. Y'all, I never use gloves when I clean because they make me feel claustrophobic and they fall off all the time. I just feel like I just can't do a good job when I have gloves on when I'm cleaning. But I think I do want to give it another try because I am so tired of my nail polish chipping and my hands drying out from washing them all the time. So I think I am going to give it another try. Also, my bathrooms are never like super gross, and if there is something really gross that I need to clean, I will put my gloves on. But like I said, I am going to give it another try, so you may or may not see gloves in my next video.
Something before you talk. I don't wanna make it hard for you. Broke down, you've been looking for parts of me. This time I'm just looking to part from you. For you it's a red sign, for me it's the right time. Like green lights in the sky, and the sun sets in the west, then it goes by. This time I'm drive. This life is a ride. Make sure that you live it. Make sure that you try. Promise you I won't stop. Not until I get by. Take a minute, just breathe. Take a second.
Onto my kids' bathroom slash guest bathroom. I did a little video on new things that I got for the bathroom, so I will link that down below. But this is what it pretty much looks like on a daily basis, sometimes worse. There's always toothpaste in the sink and on the mirror, but that does come from their battery operated toothbrushes. It just gets everywhere with those, but it does help with their brushing and they like it. So the first thing I'm just going to be doing is clear everything off, which I always do. I clear everything off, get the rugs out of there in a second so that I can spray the countertop down with my Clorox cleanup spray. I'm going to be using a microfiber cloth for the countertops, which I really love. I need to actually get some more of those. Then I'm going to go into the little room behind me, which is where their toilet and bathtub are. So if you're a little confused where you are, if you can see through the mirror, you can see that there's a door, and then that's where their toilet and bathtub are. So I'm going to go there next, but first I'm just going to be cleaning up in here. So now I'm just going to pick up all the rugs in their bathroom, shake them out really good. I actually just cleaned this not too long ago, so I don't really need to clean any of our bathroom rugs in the house this second. So I'm just going to put them on the side. I'm going to sweep really good, and then I'm going to mop. So if you guys are wondering, this is a two-sided like sweeper slash mopper. I love it because you can take the end off and throw it in the washing machine. I will have it linked down below. If I can't find it, I'll have a similar one. I think I got it from Target. It's really convenient. I also want to try the spin mop because I know people who have it. My mom has it, and I think it works really, really well. So I'm going to try that out as well. But for now, the one that I have is really, really convenient and easy to use. To the master bathroom, the worst bathroom in the house in my opinion, because our kids actually take baths in here a lot, and our potty chair is in here. This is where I get ready, my husband gets ready in the mornings, and we rush out, and it's always a mess. I just cannot keep it like super tidy. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take everything off the countertops. I'm going to use my Clorox cleanup spray again. I have a lot of hair, and hair is everywhere on the countertops. The camera is not showing it, lucky for you guys, but it's gross, and my sink is even worse. So I'm going to use my Windex foaming stuff. I'm going to use a paper towel. It ended up turning really streaky. I think it's because I used a paper towel. So I think the next time I'm just going to use the microfiber cloths. Girl, am I the only one whose master bathroom looks just a mess all the time? Please let me know down in the comments. where I keep all of my daily essentials, my skincare and my daily makeup stuff, and it tends to get dirty, so I'm just going to take everything off and clean it. I love this thing. I got it from Amazon for under $20, and it's like the best thing I could buy for my bathroom. So as you can see, makeup from my brushes get on there just when I'm always in a rush doing my makeup or something. Just makeup gets everywhere. I don't always have time to clean my makeup brushes, my makeup bottles and packaging, and this thing right here. So I have time today, so that's what I'm going to be doing. And this is actually the first time I'm actually cleaning it, so it was a little satisfying for me to finally get this clean because it was getting on my nerves. So I'm cleaning off my little thing. I will link this down below as well because this thing is awesome. So now that it's clean, I'm going to put all of my makeup back on and kind of reorganize it as I put them back up there. I'm going to leave out a few things that don't belong on there. I'm just going to put it down in my makeup organizer that's under my sink. And I'm trying to just keep only the things that I use like on a daily or a weekly basis on my little spinny thing. Here it is, all nice and clean and ready to get dirty again in the next few days, which is awesome. So on to the next. So although my husband has less countertop space than I do, his sink is always cleaner than mine. So I don't have to scrub as hard as I do with my sink. So I'm just going to clean it with the same stuff that I've been using in this video. And then I'm going to spray the cabinets down with the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray. And then I'm just going to reorganize his stuff, put some of that stuff away, and put the things that are necessary that he uses on a daily basis back on top of his countertops.
So free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't care.
Okay, so onto this shower of mine. We have moved a handful of times in the past 5 or 6 years, and every house that we've lived in has had a shower just like this, and I have not mastered the art of how to get crystal clear glass shower doors. There are some things that I am going to be trying, and if it works, you guys will probably see it in another cleaning video. But I can make it look clean, I can make it look not gross, but I have not mastered the crystal clear look, and that's what I want when I clean my shower doors. So if you guys have any suggestions, leave them down in the comments. Like I said, I do have some things I'm going to be trying out. So what I'm doing now, I'm just using the bathroom foam spray, and I use that all over because it sanitizes. I use that on the glass as well. Then on my glass, after I rinse off the bathroom stuff, I go in with Windex because it is glass, so I feel like that helps with the shiny look, but not 100%. I'm not going to really do a deep clean on the other parts of my shower because I actually cleaned it not too long ago, but I'm just really wanting to clean these glass doors. That's my goal for this shower on this cleaning video, so that's what I'm doing. So if you guys are wondering why I'm not really getting in the back part of my shower, it's because I cleaned it not too long ago and I don't need to.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause you and me won't last long. Just stay with me for a drink and show me a good time.
This is some really old artwork we've had for years. I think I'm gonna put it in here because it's just hanging around the house and just collecting dust, so I think it'll be a nice little touch for our bathroom for now. Right now I'm just mopping the floors with my Method Squirt and Mop stuff. I think it's in the spearmint scent. I do like this stuff. I mean, it's not life-changing. I'm not sure if I said this earlier, but I mean, it does the job. It seems like it cleans, so I'm going to use the rest of this up, and I'm going to try something else the next time.
You got the promise. You got the promise. You got the promise. You got the promise of being someone to love. You got the promise to treat you just like you are. I'm sick and tired of being the one you judge. I'm sick and tired.
Okay guys, what do you think? I am finally done with this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Please share with your friends and family if they need some motivation as well. If you loved it, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye guys.